Hey, Nick with Zona Camp and Hike. I want to thank you for coming to our channel to watch this unboxing. Yeah, I've got an unboxing here. As you can see, it's still here, nice and neat. Hasn't even opened yet. We've got a product here from Highever. This is one of their outdoor beanie slash headlamp combos. Well, let's cut to the chase. Let's open up. Let's see what's inside this box. All right. So here, of course, a beautiful little packing. Simple packaging. Beanie hat, it says. Perfect for a gift or any outdoor enthusiast. Well, let's open up, get first reactions, and see what we got here. So we have a USB charger for a rechargeable light. I was thinking I was going to use batteries, but this is good. Nicely neat here and packaged. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh wow, that's a pretty big LED light on top of this beanie here. Ooh, it's charged. Oh, look at that. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Let's take a look here. Ooh, oh, it's nice inside. Very nice on the inside of the beanie. Let's take a look here. Let's see how this looks. Well, oh look. Huh? Do I look like I'm going to be cozy and warm here? Comfortable and convenient for this this beanie because it's got lights on it. Let's see. Oh, okay, let's do this. Let's see, we're going to shut the garage door and we're going to check out the lights here in a moment. Let's see if you can see me with this beanie and if I can see with this beanie. Okay, it's on its lowest setting. Not too bad, not too bad. Second setting, okay. Not too bad. And our third setting is the oh yeah, not big fan of the flashy red and blue. But if you're hurt or injured, that might work. And then off. Well, right out of the package, oh, let's get some light back on. Well, right out of the package, it's got some good power. It was able to light up right off the back. So if you want to pick this up and go right to your outdoor adventure and stay warm with a beanie, I think that's a great choice there. This beanie is, of course, perfect for anybody who wants to stay warm and have some light on their family camping trip or backpacking trip, wherever you may go. It's not much heavier than your regular beanie. It does have the addition of the LEDs here, which are 5 LED lights, which do provide the 3 lighting modes that you saw there, a 75% lighting capacity, a 100% lighting capacity, and a multicolored or SOS function, that red and blue. Says it can be roughly about 72 feet. The lights can be seen. We'll definitely give that a test on our next outing or adventure. Maybe next time we're out on the trail, I'll take the beanie and see how it actually does out there compared to my headlamps. I am curious to see how long this lasts when we're out on a trip at night, backpacking, camping. But with that said, it's still extremely useful. It's cozy, it's warm, it's convenient. You know, it's an LED light already in a beanie. I mean, what more could you want? I mean, it's perfection in itself. So let's take a look. Let's pull the little unit out here. And by flexing this piece and the back, the LED comes out here, just like that. Got a regular beanie. You can throw it in the wash. Now, on the very bottom here, you can plug in your USB and give it a good charge. Now, with any rechargeable device, I do recommend you give it a good 1-hour charge, either from a computer or any other USB source you have. That way you're ready to rock and roll. We don't want you, of course, to have fun out there and all of a sudden have no lights. So give it a good charge. But I do like how Highever is producing something here that's convenient and easy. I mean, if you think about it, these are perfect gifts for just about anybody out there as well. Hit their website up. I'll have the link in the description below so you can take a look at it. Keep in mind, this is a fantastic, lightweight, easy item, and it's versatile because it does have a built-in light, and you can still wash it and stay warm. So here is, again, a beanie hat. I like how the box says beanie hat. But it's an LED beanie by Highever. It's one of their outdoor headlamps. Great beanie. I mean, what can you say? It's a beanie. I mean, even without that, it's a beanie. Now I'm a Cyclops. I got a hole. I like it. It's warm. Let's get this put back in. All right, let's see how to put this back in. With the back here open, you can see we can slide it in and lock it in place with the little notch it has. There we go. All right. Next time you see this beanie, it'll be out on the trail or one of my hikes. We're going to put it to good use to see how it functions out there. Good beanie. Should keep me nice and warm and toasty with the nice fabric on the inside there. Should give me some good light. Hands-free with the 3 levels of LED function. We've got a 75% capacity, 100% capacity, and of course the red and blue for that emergency SOS. Again, great grip. Think about it. Highever, awesome product so far. We're going to put it through its paces on one of our outdoor events. If you're interested in purchasing this LED beanie by Highever, I'll have a link in the description below. Click on it. Free to browse around Highever's website to pick up any other items you might see useful for you on the trail. For now, I'm Nick with Zona Camp and Hike.